Welcome to my channel Reviews First, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the top 5 best air fryer toaster ovens combos of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best air fryer toaster ovens combos. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Breville BOV860BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer and Convection Oven in brushed stainless steel is a versatile and efficient addition to any modern kitchen. Designed with advanced heating technology, it ensures precise and even cooking results every time. Whether you're baking, roasting, toasting, or air frying, this appliance delivers consistent performance with minimal effort. Its Element IQ system intelligently directs heat where it's needed most, reducing cooking time while improving overall results. The spacious interior accommodates a variety of dishes, making it ideal for families or those who enjoy entertaining. With multiple preset cooking functions, users can easily prepare everything from crispy fries to perfectly roasted chicken. The air frying feature offers a healthier alternative to traditional frying, using less oil while maintaining a delicious crunch. Its sleek stainless steel finish not only enhances durability, but also adds a sophisticated look to your countertop. User-friendly controls and a clear digital display make operation simple and intuitive. Overall, this smart oven combines style, functionality, and performance in one compact appliance. Number 2. The Val Cusa Infrared Heating Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a versatile and powerful addition to any modern kitchen. Designed with advanced infrared heating technology, it ensures faster and more even cooking while locking in moisture and flavor. This extra-large countertop convection oven offers convenient 10-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, bake, toast, broil, roast, and more with ease. With its spacious interior, it comfortably fits up to 6 slices of bread or a variety of family-sized meals, making it perfect for both everyday use and entertaining guests. The convection system circulates hot air efficiently, delivering crispy, golden results with little to no oil, promoting healthier cooking habits. The oven also comes with an enamel baking pan that is durable and easy to clean, reducing post-cooking hassle. Its intuitive controls and sleek design blend seamlessly into any kitchen decor while offering maximum convenience. Whether you're preparing quick snacks or elaborate dishes, this multifunctional appliance simplifies cooking and elevates your culinary experience with consistent, delicious results every time. Number 3. The Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven is a powerful and versatile addition to any modern kitchen. Designed with a spacious 21-quart capacity, it easily accommodates large meals, making it perfect for families or entertaining guests. With its 10-in-1 functionality, this smart oven can air fry, bake, roast, toast, broil, dehydrate, and more, eliminating the need for multiple appliances and saving valuable counter space. Powered by an 1800-watt heating system, the oven ensures fast and even cooking every time. Its adjustable temperature range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit offers precise control, allowing you to cook a wide variety of dishes to perfection. The unique top and bottom heating elements can be customized independently, giving you greater flexibility and consistent results. The intuitive digital controls and clear display make it easy to operate, even for beginners. Whether you're preparing crispy fries, juicy chicken, or perfectly toasted bread, the Nuwave Bravo delivers exceptional performance, convenience, and reliability, making everyday cooking simpler and more enjoyable. Number 4. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is a versatile and stylish addition to any modern kitchen. Designed with convenience in mind, its elegant French doors open with a single pull, offering easy access to a spacious interior that can handle everything from family-sized meals to quick snacks. With 24 cooking functions, this appliance goes far beyond traditional ovens, allowing you to air fry, roast, bake, toast, broil, dehydrate, and more, all with precision. Equipped with intuitive digital controls, it ensures consistent results every time, whether you're crisping fries or slow roasting chicken. The extra-large capacity is perfect for cooking multiple dishes at once, saving both time and energy. Included are 7 high-quality accessories, such as air fry baskets, racks, and trays, giving you everything needed to start cooking right away. Finished in sleek stainless steel, it not only performs exceptionally, but also enhances your kitchen's aesthetic. This all-in-one appliance delivers professional quality cooking with everyday ease. Number 5. The Nuwave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill Combo 2025 edition, is designed to transform everyday cooking into a faster, smarter, and more versatile experience. Powered by its new ultra-fast convection system, this appliance delivers up to 35% crispier results while ensuring food cooks 2x more evenly. Whether you're air frying, baking, roasting, grilling, or toasting, it handles every task with precision and consistency. With an impressive range of 142 presets, the Bravo XL Pro eliminates guesswork, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced home cooks. Its wide temperature range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit gives you complete control, from dehydrating fruits to searing meats. The spacious interior allows you to cook larger meals, making it perfect for families or entertaining guests. The integrated grill function adds even more versatility, letting you achieve perfectly charred textures indoors. Built with convenience in mind, it combines multiple kitchen appliances into one sleek unit, saving both space and time. The Nuwave Bravo XL Pro is a powerful, all-in-one solution for modern kitchens.